All right. So I got my salmon that's been searing for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to flip that bad boy. Drum roll, please. Did he just flip that salmon? Oh my goodness. That salmon looking lovely. Sheesh. I can taste it already. All right, so you're gonna flip it and let it sear for about 3 to 5 more minutes. Once that's done, you can pop it right in the oven for a little bit. Get it nice and golden. Yeah, let's zoom in on that. Let's get that. Yeah. Look at the pepper and the salt. You can see the salt. That's how good the camera is. You can see the salt. Oh my goodness. All right. Adding my tomatoes. We're gonna blister these tomatoes. It's gonna take about 5 minutes in total time. You want to get them nice and roasted and let those juices flow in the tomatoes. Looking good and smelling good up in here. Look at them things. They're glistening. Them things, they talking to me. They looking good. They looking good. All right. So we're gonna let that cook for a little minute, about 3 to 4 minutes. Let it do its thing. I wish you guys could smell this right now. Oh my gosh. Smelling lovely, like heaven. All right, now I'm gonna chop up my garlic and my oregano that we're gonna add to our blistered tomatoes. So you wanna just chop that up finely. Mince the garlic up. All right, now that we added our chopped garlic and our oregano, I'm gonna toss that around. That's been cooking for about 5 minutes now. You wanna get everything incorporated, all those juices and those great flavors all around. All right, smelling good. All right, time to make our cream sauce next. So I have some heavy cream just kind of simmering over the stove. And add my noodles. Incorporate that together. Smelling so good up in here right now. I wish I could smell this. Oh my gosh. All right, get that all tossed up and everything. Ready to rock and roll. All right. Now that's been simmering for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna add our tomatoes. Roasted tomatoes that we cooked off earlier. Smelling lovely. Toss that up. Oh my gosh. Won't he do it? Look at that. Just look at that. You want to toss everything, get all those flavors incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, Salmon Alfredo. There you have it. Finished product.